In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Payslips in Xero. Whether you're managing payroll for a small business or just looking to streamline your accounting processes, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Xero account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon labeled Create New or simply a plus sign. This icon is your gateway to a variety of functions, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Create New or the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will need to select Bill. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're dealing with payslips, but in Xero, this is how you'll initiate the process of setting them up. So click on Bill to proceed. Now, you're in the section where you can set up your payslips. This part is crucial because you need to ensure that all the information is accurate and ready for your employees. Take your time here to fill out all the necessary details, such as employee names, payment amounts, and any other relevant information. It's important to double-check everything to avoid any errors that could cause confusion later on. After you've entered all the necessary information, the next step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or top corner of the page. Click on it to ensure that all the data you've entered is securely stored. Saving your work is a good habit to develop as it prevents any accidental loss of information. With everything saved, you're now ready to send these payslips to your employees. Xero makes this process straightforward. Once you have your payslips set up and saved, you can easily email them directly to your employees from within the platform. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the emailing process. And there you have it. You've successfully emailed payslips using Xero. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that your employees receive their payslips promptly and efficiently. Remember, accurate record keeping and timely communication are key components of effective payroll management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy accounting!